Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel once again. Now I am fully recovered. Thank you all for your prayers, and then today I'll be sharing a tip with you. Now this app comes with free version and then the VIP version. You can go and download this app and try their free version, okay, and try out their free version prediction. It is very authentic with that prediction. I don't know why it's not loading. So let me close the app and open it again. All right, good. Yeah, so this is their free prediction for today, and you can check their yesterday performance. They hit green in their yesterday performance. Yeah, so congratulations to them. Now I will only be talking. This video is going to be very short. Now if you go to their correct score predictions, you have to pay 1,700 Ghana cedis monthly for their VIP, right? You have to pay 1,700 Ghana cedis for their VIP, and that is equivalent to $109. So probably you'll be paying 110. But if you wanted to pay in the app, you're probably going to pay $99.99, which is equivalent to $100. Now, why am I talking about only the VIP correct score? Now, this is it. If you go to the free version and you click on their correct score tips for yesterday, you can see that yesterday they have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 correct score predicted, and then they predicted only 6. They predicted only 6 correct score, and at the end of the day 4 was successful. So let's say that is critically good. And then there is something I would also like to show you. If you go to 21st, where is 21st? Is that 21st? Okay, not 21st. Let's go to 20th. Yes, if you go to 20th here, you look at this game and this game and at this game, on that very day also they predicted 6, and then he ended up getting 3. Now I have a record of this particular that I will showing you proof of. Okay, now if you see how they are performing, now this is a trick to win straight winning with this app, right? It is a trick to win straight winning with this app. Now take a look at this particular side of the video. Yeah, so this is the app on the 20th, right? Look at the dates over here on the 20th, right? Now this is what I want you to understand. Okay, now look at this one. They predicted home, either away to win or draw. This place they predicted home team to win 2-0 or 2-1. This place also they predicted 1-1 or 2-1, which means home team to win or play draw. This place also they predicted straight winning. Now this trick work for only this app for now. That is why I'm using this app as an example. I'll be making more research to find more apps that predict games like this. Okay, you are using the VIP correct score to win a straight winning. VIP correct score for straight winning in which you never lose. Now this is the trick. Since they predicted a draw or away, the only thing you need to play here is to play for 2x, which is draw or away. This one is straight winning, home team, so you predicted 1. This place also is 1 or x, so you go for 1x. Then this place you predict 1 again. This will give you a total of 5 odd plus, because on that very day the odds were actually good, and then I predicted 5 good odds from these VIP scores and posted in my VIP group, and trust me, it was boom on that very day. It was good. I tried it the next day, it's also successful. So I can tell you 96% that these things work. Yes, and it is working for this app now. It is working 100% for this app. So if you have access to this app, the VIP correct score, go and try it right now. It is working. If I scroll to this side, this is another day, right? Look at this. This is 18th of that. This is 18th, the same app, and I applied it in and it still work. Okay, I apply the same thing and it still work. So you see, that is it. This is another day. So look at this 18th. Look at 18th with a very good one. Look at it right here. Look at it right here. This is 17th, and if you did the same thing on 17th, you ended up winning so many games, right? You ended up winning so many games. So this is the trick I use in predicting the great odds, like 5, 7, 10 odds, using the Bet Guinness VIP correct score to predict straight winning. So if you are someone who need this app, kindly download on Play Store. Yes, the Bet app, the app name is Bet Guinness. You can download it directly from there. And if you want the mode version, that will actually give you more than a year. You can use the correct score side more than a year. Yes, you can message me for it. Yes, message me for it. And in my previous video, I also talk about someone who paid for this app, but the person didn't give me time to mod the app. This app is a server app. Okay, this is not an in-app purchase. It is a server app. So you need to bypass lib. So you must be on the same server with the mobile developer to bypass this app. And creating a server, it is very, very difficult. So if you want the mode app of this, you don't need to be in hurry. Okay, you can either request a video of it like this on the first day you paid, and on the second day I will be able to create the server and for you to use the app. So if you need it, let me know. And that is the simple strategy to use to win a straight winning with this particular app. See you all in my next video. The VIP group for September has finally been open. Okay, I'll be leaving the link to the VIP group in the video description. See you all in my next video.